everyone. Today I'm here again with this manual videos, I would say, because while I tried this, I tried my best to give it scripted, but I think it's not working out anymore for me, and so I'm here again with this. Again, one another point that it doesn't mean it doesn't mean that I will stop this scripted thing, but I want to continue this because I love doing this. And maybe it's boring to post it and boring to see in this channel like whole such videos where I'm just talking, but I think I am in love with this process now, and I am not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop talking because finally I have I have I have felt that I want to talk. I want to talk more to me. I want to talk more to a camera because um, today I want to add something about me because I think I want to tell about myself today because yes, because no, because so today I want to talk about me. Today I want to tell something about me. So I am a writer. I want to introduce myself as a writer because I write, and I have written poems, and I have written. I write. I basically write, and I like to write because it helps me deal with emotions, and it has always been my medicine um, towards life. Like whatever happens in my life, or just to distract myself from all the things, I just took the help of imagination and pen and paper, and I just start to write, and that's how my life has been. Uh, in the past few years, and I think it has become a part and parcel of my life. Writing has become a part and parcel of my life because without writing I can go right now. I can go anywhere now because writing has become my thing now. Anyways, so why I told this about me, because that as the days are passing by, and I'm just I just talk to myself in front of a camera, it has become the same thing. Like in a white paper, what we do, I take the pen and write. We take the pen and write. So now whenever I want to talk, and whenever whatever is going on in my mind, whenever I place the camera and just start standing here, I can't stand quiet. I need to speak. It has become like I have found a wider page. I have found a wider white page to write out my thoughts, and it may not be writing this time, and it's talking this time, and it's so special to me because I'm doing this, and that's why I'm proud of myself, and you should also be proud of yourself, because I'm sure that we all have some things for which we are proud. We need to be proud of ourselves because there is no one in the world who never tries. you know you tried to walk, and that's why you can walk today. You tried to speak, and that's why you can speak today. You tried to write, and that's why you can write today. You see, you tried to dance and move your hands and move your legs and move your body, and now you are a good dancer. You see, trying is everything. Trying out things can lead you to places you have never been. So never be afraid of trying, and never be afraid of the first day of anything. Like first day will always be a burden to you. First day will always be full of confusions and whatnot, but on the 10th day, first day will be your best day ever, because that will be a day when you started, and it would have a memory in itself. It would be a memory in itself, and you will enjoy it no matter what. No matter how bad your first day of school was, don't you enjoy it, remembering those days now? You do, right? So it's nothing different with life. You can try new things in any day of your life, this day can be your first day for anything in life. And just imagine, after 10 years, or in 10 years, whenever you imagine this very day, this 11th May 2024, how special will you feel about yourself, how amazing this day will make you feel at those time. So be, try new things, and be there for yourself to lift yourself. Like whenever you feel like low, and whenever you feel like you have nothing, have things. Like it may not be materialistic things, but you can always create the memories. No one can stop you to create anything, if you want to create it. Because this creativity, this creating thing is so much of importance. You can't imagine, and you can't understand its importance until you have created something. So once you fall in love with creation, or once you fall in love with creating some things, you can never stop. You can't stop yourself to create. That's what I mean. Maybe during the first days of anything you start as a new thing, it will burden you, it will burn you, it will do what not to you, it will be a headache to you. But remember that this all these things that will happen to you will be so much important to you in the next 5 days, or in the next 10 days, or even the next 5 years or 10 years. But it will one day make you feel good that you tried, and that time you will feel proud of yourself that yes, you tried, and yes, you did. That's why you have something new today. That's why you have something to talk about. You should try it. Like, you should. That's all.